Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Subi's hair care channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a hair mask or a deep conditioner that not only strengthens the hair but also helps with itchy and dry scalp and other scalp issues. This mask can be used on the hair and the scalp in adults and also in kids. Guys, lately my daughter have been complaining of having itchy scalp. She doesn't have dandruff, but her scalp is itchy, and this is the mask that I usually use when she have dry itchy scalp. So guys, in this bowl I add 2.5 tablespoons of moringa powder, and now I'm following up with 4 tablespoons of neem powder. Guys, you hear the ingredients that I've started off with: neem and moringa. I will tell you more about what these herbs can do later on in the video. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera powder. Now I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of clove powder. This was whole clove. I bought the whole clove and I grind these cloves by myself in my spice grinder. Now I'm just adding also 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and I'm going to mix it all together so that way the powders, sorry, can be mixed in together and blended well together for when I'll be putting in the liquid. So I'm just giving it a good blend, guys. And guys, this right here is my Ayurvedic hair tea. I don't know if you've seen this video, but if you haven't watched it, then you should give it a watch. I'll link the description in the description box below of how I make this Ayurvedic hair tea. And I'll be going in with some tablespoons of the hair tea because I want to slowly incorporate the tea in the powders, because I was trying not to make the hair mask too runny, but as you can see, it's not ready as yet because there's not enough liquid in there. In this bottle, guys, there is 1 cup of my hair tea in this bottle, and now I'm just going in with some more of my Ayurvedic hair tea. Giving it another mix. But it's still not enough. There's still not enough liquid in there, but I was still trying to mix it. And guys, I see that, yeah, this is not gonna work, so I'll just pour the rest of the tea inside, and now it's ready to be mixed properly. As you can see, there is enough Ayurvedic hair tea in there for the powder, so I'm just mixing it, because guys, you want to mix this properly, because you don't want, when you're putting on your mask, you'll be seeing dry powders in your mask, because that won't be good for the rinsing out process of when you're rinsing out your hair. So you have to mix this mask good. So now guys, if you seen that you've watched until this far into the video, I would appreciate it if you're not subscribers yet, if you would subscribe to my channel, and you would also share this video to someone who needs to see this video, like someone who's been having itchy scalp lately. And I would also appreciate it if you would like this video. And guys, let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried this mask, or if you will ever try this mask. So now let me tell you about the benefits of the the powders or the herbs that I put into this mask. Guys, now I'm just going in with 2.5 teaspoons of conditioner, just the regular rinse oil conditioner, guys. You can choose any conditioner of your choice. So I'm going to tell you about the benefits of the herbs that I just put in. Now guys, moringa have nutrients that helps to improve hair health and it reduces scalp irritation. Neem has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can combat dandruff and alleviate itching. Aloe vera produces a cooling and soothing effect, helping to reduce scalp irritation and inflammation. Ginger also have inflammatory properties and help to adjust some scalp condition. Clove have antifungal properties that helps to combat dandruff and reduce infection. So I'm just continue mixing it, and you can see the mixing is done. I'm just showing you how it looks right now, and I'm going to put some of it in this container that I have here because I want to I'll be using it in my hair as well as my daughter's hair. So I'm just putting some of the conditioner away, the hair mask or deep conditioner away in this container that I can use on my hair. And guys, I'll be showing you a small clip of me using this hair mask slash deep conditioner in my daughter's hair. So guys, you can see the consistency of this hair mask, and you can see the greenness from the moringa and the neem just coming in there. And guys, even though I didn't add any oils inside of this mask, you can see it looks so shiny, as if I did add oils inside of it, but all I add inside of it was the powders and the ayurvedic hair tea and the rinse oil conditioner. So guys, this you can see, and I'm just now cleaning up after myself or trying to. And I'm just wiping off the container a little bit. And I love the way how this hair mask looks so moisturizing, guys. It's just looking juicy. And guys, here I am. I have already applied the hair mask into the back of my daughter's hair. So now I'm just showing you a short clip of me applying it to the front of her hair. And as you can see, I'm getting it all in there, like I'm trying to get all of her hair strand coated with this hair mask, and also rubbing it in so that it can also apply to her scalp, guys, because this benefits the scalp more than it benefits the hair strand itself, because neem is good for scalp issues. You can see me going in there, guys. I don't know, but if you've ever relaxed your hair before, you know this is how you do it. You part it section by section, and you want to coat your hair with that relaxer. Yeah, so this is me doing this. I want to coat all of her hair with this hair mask to be sure that her hair is getting all of the nutrients and the nourishment of this hair mask, and her scalp is also getting it. So for this one, we've almost finished this set, but luckily I made a big batch of it. So when we were done with this set of the hair mask, I just went and refilled the bowl so that it would be enough to finish her hair. And guys, at this point, my daughter, she was like, oh, this is so messy, because guys, this is a messy process. You know, any DIY is a messy process. So please use with caution, and use it with on like a t-shirt or something that you don't care about. And in an era where you won't mind getting stuff falling onto, because you know some of the powders, because I didn't strain this mixture, there was a little bit of clumps in the powders from the spice that wasn't grind finely enough. So yeah, as I was putting in this hair mask, some of the powders was just falling on the floor. Luckily, I'm doing this in the bathroom, in our bathroom, so I don't mind getting the bathroom dirty. I can just clean it up, and it's pretty easy to clean. So yeah, I'm done with that section, and I'm moving on to the other section. And at this point, my daughter, she's also like, oh, I'm so over this. But even though she's over the whole process of me applying the hair mask, she's appreciate appreciating the hair mask, because she know what this hair mask does for her hair. It's gonna be a while before she complaining of her scalp itching again. So guys, I'm just gonna let you enjoy watching me doing the rest of her hair with this mask. So now I'm done applying the mask to her hair. Guys, you can leave this mask on for 40 minutes to an hour. So I put the heat cap on her hair, and I'm going to let her leave it on for an hour. Until next time, guys.